is Biancacharisma here. I'm talking to my audience. My 1-year-old's back there. Hey, pumpkin. But yes, so anyway, today I am doing a natural hair video. It's so refreshing to have my natural hair out. I have been rocking wigs. I have been rocking ponytails with long weave. I've been doing a lot to my hair, and my hair needs some TLC. My hair needs some moisture, and today that's what I'm going to give it. So this is the finished look. I love it. I got this look from Revlon Realistic. So Revlon Realistic is designed for natural hair. They reached out to me. They sent me products from their natural hair line, which black seed oil is one of the main ingredients in the line. So I'm super excited about that. And I just decided to do a video on it. So if you guys want to see more on my video and see how I got this look, just keep on watching. Alright, it is time to shampoo my hair. So first thing that I'm going to do is use this strengthening shampoo. It smells pretty good, and what I like about it is that it is sulfate free. It is no mineral oil, no petroleum, no sulfates, no parabens, no colorants, no nothing. So all the bad stuff is not in this shampoo, and it is all good. It felt so good. Do you see my face? Like, this is my natural reaction for this product. It was super hydrating. It felt so good. It felt like I was washing my hair, like it was a co-wash kind of thing. It felt like a conditioner, but it was lathering like a shampoo. So I was just so confused, you guys. It was moisturizing. It was not stripping my hair of its natural oils. I just felt like it was cleaning and conditioning at the same time. So this actually might be like a co-wash shampoo. I heard someone else say that. So, you know, if it is, kudos to Revlon for that. Next up is this conditioner. Now, it was hard for me to get it out the bottle at first. I'm like, okay, it's not coming out. So a little bit came out, and then I had to really just get in there. And, you know, I like a lot of conditioner, so I, you know, just went a little crazy with that. But, you know, I'm washing the conditioner out, so it really doesn't matter. I just like to get a nice amount on my hair, so that way it marinates into my hair, it moisturizes my hair, and everything is, you know, just making my hair feel really good. So yeah, this is an intense moisture conditioner. Just make sure to really get the ends and put it all over your hair. I like to always start from the end because that is the oldest part of your hair, and then rake it through the top and just get it all in there. Condition your hair so your hair can be extra moisturized. Okay, I just had to stop the video for a second and tell you guys something. A quick review, in-person review, so it's not just a voiceover. But yeah, my hair feels really moisturized, especially with the shampoo. It did not strip my hair at all of any moisture. Usually shampoos make me just feel like I'm just stripping a lot of oils out of my hair, but it's still getting clean. So yes, the shampoo felt so good, so moisturizing, very hydrating. And then the conditioner is in my head now. It feels so good. I usually sit under a heating cap to condition my hair, but it just feels so good. I'm just gonna let it just marinate in my hair. I'm gonna just let it sit for about 15 minutes and do what I need to do, probably be on my phone for a little bit, and then we can get to the other products. But so far, so good. So just had to say that. Let's get back to the video. Alright, I let my hair sit for 15 minutes and then I rinse that conditioner out. And next up is this strengthening Creme leave-in conditioner, and it smells so good, you guys. This line smells good, and I love smell good products. So I am taking a nice amount, and I'm pretty much just doing the same thing I did with the regular conditioner. making sure to rake that conditioner into my hair. This time I'm using a dimming brush, and that dimming brush, you guys, is bae. Like, I just had to get a close-up because my hair just bounced right back to its natural curl pattern as soon as I mixed this leave-in conditioner with that dimming brush. I was just amazed. My hair felt good, it was looking good, and the curl pattern was popping just from the conditioner. So I was just very, very impressed with it. And I loved it. Like, do you guys see, like, especially towards the bottom, my hair is really, really curling up. I do not wear my hair natural that much, so I was very impressed. So the hairstyle that I'm going to be doing today is a half up, half down hairstyle. So the front half of my hair will be in a ponytail, and the back will just be curly and out. So next I'm going to be using this twisting pudding. It is strengthening as well. This is a strengthening line, and on the bottle it says flake free. Now you guys, I was struggling to open this stuff. I don't know if I need to work out or what, but they kept their products tightly sealed, which is a good thing. So you can see that this product is not super creamy and hard to get out. So I took a little bit and I am raking it into my hair. Now, the thing that I would say, if you have low porosity, low to medium density hair, meaning if your hair is not that thick, it's kind of on the fine to medium side, you might want to use the product sparingly. I feel like I used a bit too much product on my sections, which weighed my hair down. I have low porosity, low to medium density hair, so you just want to make sure to use this product sparingly, because you don't want your hair to be weighed down with so much product that it doesn't even know what to do. So I wasn't really that impressed with the product, but I'm like, you know what, I'm gonna push through, I'm gonna keep on working, I'm gonna see how this turns out, because I am determined to make this look cute. Like, I want to make sure that my hair looks cute. I had somewhere to be. It was actually the 4th of July, so I'm like, oh my gosh, I'm going out, I'm gonna see family, and I just want my hair to be popping. Like, when we wear our natural hair, we want it to be popping, so we gotta make sure that we're using the right techniques, using the right amount of product, everything. So I'm getting close. Do you guys see, like, my hair was not popping like I wanted it to be. The ends were pretty curled, but the top was kind of frizzy for some reason, and it was really just making me wonder, like, what am I doing wrong? I don't understand. So what helped me was I started to spray my hair with warm water. Why I did that was because I have low porosity hair. If you guys would like for me to do a video on porosity, what it means, all of that hair stuff, like more hair details on, learning about your natural hair, I would love to do a video. So give me a thumbs up to let me know that. But yeah, so I sprayed my hair with warm water, and it started to revert back to its natural curl pattern. I opened up my cuticle with that warm water, and then I used the product to, rake it in and curl it around my fingers, and it started to really, get defined and start working. So I activated it with warm water first. Make sure your hair is pretty wet and damp when you're applying these products. So I would suggest that you apply these products in the shower. Yeah, I was just, for recording purposes, doing this not in the shower, so my hair was drying a little faster than usual. So that's why I had to use the warm water to spray my hair, open up my cuticle, and let the products in. So that is a trick for you low porosity girls, is to make sure your hair is hydrated, especially with warm water. Open up that cuticle and get the products in there. For my low density ladies, make sure that you use the product sparingly. Don't go overboard, because you don't want to weigh your hair down. You just want to Make sure to saturate each strand, but strategically use the right amount of product. So I'm basically just doing that same technique all over my hair, raking through, twisting it around, and letting it curl up. Super simple, super easy. Now you guys, I have my hair half up, half down. Off camera, towards the end, I use some gel to slick it up a little bit more, but you will see that later. So next up is this curling custard. This is supposed to add definition. Now I know, wait a minute. This was the MVP. Like, this was my favorite. It smelled so good. And before I even used it, just to let you guys know, like, my hair was looking good already. So look, you guys, like, this product, be careful, because it's just not like it's not a product that's going to stay in the jar if you move it around. Like, it's not super thick. And that's kind of why I like it, because it's not just, you know, it's not just going to make your hair just not move. Like, it's very loose, so you want to use it, you know, a little bit at a time. Now, I tried to use my dimming brush just to comb it out and see how it would look if I just used the dimming brush, and I just didn't like that look. So I went back to the technique of raking my hair with the product and then twisting it around my finger. So this definition product, it was working for me, but like I said, I feel like in this tutorial I used a bit too much of the products. So my hair was pretty weighed down, and also that section that I was just working on, that I feel like my hair is a little bit heat damaged in that area, so it's not really reverting as much as I would like it to. But like I said before, I don't wear my hair natural that much. I wear a lot of different hairstyles, straight hairstyles, weave hairstyles, so I wouldn't really consider myself like a naturalista. I don't have a diva cut or anything like that. So these products work great for the condition that my hair is in. So I'm just doing the same thing, you guys. It's a repeat of the same thing. Make sure to do the technique that you want. Pull it apart. Rake that product in, twist it around your finger, and then you're good to go. Do this all throughout your hair. And then you can use a diffuser to dry your hair faster, or you can just let your hair air dry. That's what I did. And yeah, like, this is pretty much the look. Off camera, I'm gonna slick my edges with some edge control and some gel, just so my ponytail can be more sleek. And my baby hairs are popping as well. So this is the final look. I love it. It's super cute. The next day, I decided I wanted to do 2 ponytails. So I did this look, and it was popping as well. If you guys want to, I did a different makeup look too. So if you guys want more makeup looks, also give me a like below, and I will do more makeup looks. But yes, this is the final look. I thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one.